Okay, today I'm doing the step-by-step instructions for Dreamweaver Chapter 5, Lab 3, which is modifying the quote form with Spry validation for Justin's lawn care service. You need to first start out by navigating to your Justin's lawn care service folder, and you will be able to navigate to the different web pages. We're going to be modifying the form that we created in Chapter 4 and making it a Spry validation form. So you're going to navigate first to the quote.html page. On that page, you see the form that we previously created in Chapter 4. So what you need to do is go to your tabs above and select Spry. On the Spry tab, you have these various icons that you're going to be using to modify this form. So click first on the first name field, and we're going to change that to a Spry validation text field. You're going to name the text field, so I'm going to call this first name. And for the preview states, I want to make that required. For the text that pops up, I'm going to change that to please provide your first name. Okay, follow a similar process for last name. I'm going to click on the last name text field, and under Spry, select Spry validation text field. We need to name the text field. I'm going to call this last name. For preview states, we're going to change the preview states to required and change the text here to please provide your last name. For phone number, you're going to click on the phone number text field, change it to a Spry validation text field, change the field name to phone number. For type, you're going to change the type to phone number and select Enforce Pattern. Under preview states, we want to make that say a value is required, so change this to required. Finally, for email, you're going to click on the email text field, change it to a Spry validation text field. We're going to name this email. Change the type. Oops. If that does not work for you, I'm going to make this email 1. For type, we're going to make it email address. Preview states, we want to make that required. And that is all for your Chapter 5, Lab 3 step-by-steps. So now I'm going to save it. You can hit OK when this pop-up comes, and then preview in Internet Explorer or Chrome. Alright, so what would happen if you try to submit the form without all the fields? Why is that not working? Well, it won't let you type in an email wrong. It makes the email in the proper format. But this doesn't seem to be working quite right. This does happen sometimes. I'm going to try it in Internet Explorer. I'm going to allow block content. For some reason, this is also letting me submit. It should not be letting me submit without all the fields filled in. And it should give me an error message for the email. All right, that's all. You can save and submit to me.